I'll go to the room right there. I will make my life comfortable. Yeah. That's all I need. We have 1 life to live, sir. 1 life.
One of my friends in Lekki, all the cottages I'm trying to walk around. I said, oh, you folks in Lekki, you're enjoying it. You're very close to Lekki phase 1. Oh, wow. And then just making a new bridge. He said, Mr. Fish, let me tell you, if at all, anything from Thursday evening to try and move from my house, which is just about 1,400 meters, to the new toll bridge, that fashionable one that Fashola built, he said it would take sometimes 3 hours. I said, 3 hours? I said, is that bad? He said, yeah. People assume that the rich ones are the ones living in Lekki, but then the poor ones who are husbands who want to look rich first, they are coming there, it's overfilled already.
That's it.
By fake
what we're talking about. That's it.
It's fake people or young people who are trying to now be like who they, like what they are not. So they make life comfortable for them.
I just want to show you something.
So why pay so much rent?
Over there.
Oh, okay. Hard luck because they didn't have this thing at the side, the sacks. So you see, it's erosion caving in. So you want to be careful about it.
To be eating in.
Yeah, to be eating in.
Yes.
Once the trees are gotten right, it's important to do that maintenance. Or what you can do after this, if you go on, Mr. Kenny.
Real business.
Nǹkan tí ó yí láti ṣe ni pé irú tó ń jẹ létí. Just get marine board. Just mix cement and sand. That's all. One marine board in between. One permanent solution. Let marine board just be about.
This is not my own farm.
About 3, I know.
Okay.
Because you're going to need it too.
Okay.
So you just put marine board about this. What do you call this now? About 4 inches, right? In between, and then just get cement and sand without water. Just pour it in between. You got a concrete structure. Now that net that they use for the poultry, that's one thing that Malams use for their cigar shop.
Okay.
You can just put it in as a small reinforcement to the concrete. That's all. And then you have to find one because that sack will still give way.
Sure.
Just 2-3 years now.
Yeah.
So from day one, you can